You want to go out? Go outside? Okay, let's go. Let's go. Come on, Sandy. Go get your ball. Go get the ball. Go get it. Go get it. Where's your ball? Go get the ball. Go get the ball. Here. Go get it. Get it, Sandy. Get it. Go get it. This was supposed to be 6 to 12 inches. It's right now standing up at the airport. They said 30 inches of snow so far, and it's still snowing. So can't believe we still have satellite reception with the dish being all caked up like that. But anyway, rather interesting day. Here's Sandy still clubbing around in the snow. Princess won't come out, it's too deep for her, even though I shoveled the path. Sandy likes the snow? Do you like the snow? Okay, go fetch. Go fetch. Still coming down. This is what we call a patio or a deck. And Sandy's now trashing the trail I dug for her and Princess. Way to go, Sandy. Way to get snow in the house. Sandy, you like the snow? Huh? Here she goes. Okay, I think it's time to go in the house.